Today we are taking a look at 4 different camp stoves that I got, so stay tuned. Hi everybody, this is Andreas from Offgrid Sweden. If you haven't been here before, I want to welcome you for the first time. On this channel I show you things that we do on the homestead, tips and tricks, reviews, stuff related to homesteading and off-grid living, and also videos like this one. If you haven't subscribed, please do so if you like the content, and you will get notified on new content. Now back to the topic of this video. So the ones that we are taking a look at is the Trangia, the Jetboiler, the Swedish military issued stove and the Biolite 2. We will start with the Trangia. It comes with a frying pan. I have cut out a piece of foam so it won't rattle in the backpack. I have a little pouch for the burner. You get 2 pots with the Trangia and all of the parts are in aluminium. This is the 2 base parts. It comes with a handle that fits the pot and the pan. I got the propane burner to this stove. You will see that I love propane burners. I light it with the trusty Farrow rod. We will boil a small amount of water just to see how fast it goes. I've sped up the boiling process 4 times so you don't have to wait too long. The Trangia took just under 1 minute to come to a boil. Remember, I only boil a small amount of water just for the demonstration purpose. The Trangia is the one that I have used the most. I've had it for over 10 years. Let's move on to the Jetboiler. It comes with a snap-on lid. You can store your propane inside the pot. It also fits the burner and a tripod for the propane. Once again, we light it with a Farrow rod. To boil water in the Jetboiler took little less than 40 seconds. I really love the Jetboiler. It's small and it boils water really fast. Let's move on to the Swedish military stove. I believe it's put together with different components from a few different manufacturers. You can't go out and buy it as a kit, but you can put it together yourself. It comes with 2 pots and a lid that fits both the pots. You get an alcohol burner that I believe is from Trangia. I never use this burner. It's slow and you have to carry alcohol with you. I won't let you wait for this one to start boiling water, because it's really a slow process. It also comes with a small propane burner that is really awesome. With this one, we won't need to use the Farrow rod, because it got a built-in piezo lighter. The boiling time for this one is a little bit shorter than the Jetboiler. It's around 35 seconds. But the thing with this stove system is that it's a lot of parts to carry around, and I tend not to use it as often as the Jetboiler. Last but not least is the Biolite stove, that is a really different kind of stove, and the one that I'm now bringing on my hikes in the forest. It's also the best of them all when it comes to a prepper scenario. You fed it with twigs and other things that burn, so you won't go out of fuel. You can also use it to charge your phone. It's a little bit bulky, but I managed to fit it with my other stuff in my backpack. I made a separate video on this one, and I will leave a link to it in a card and in the description. That's it for this time. Talk to you in the comments and see you in the next video.
If you haven't subscribed already, do so by clicking down there on the Swedish flag, and then you can also click on the little bell icon up there, and then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And if you want to watch another video, I got one over there for you.